Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you these really simple and easy everyday ponytails that you can create sitting at home. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Take a middle parting and separate two sections on each side. Take the rest of the hair into a neat ponytail like this. Now take the left section, twist it a couple of times and wrap it around the ponytail. Use a rubber band to secure it. You can even use a bobby pin to secure it under the ponytail. Repeat the same on the other side. Now once done, pull on the ponytail a couple of times to add volume and to make it look perkier. And that's it, that's how this looks, and I love how this turned out. It looks so neat and elegant. So now for the second one, take a section out from the top of the ears till the back. Twist both the sections a little bit before taking it into a ponytail. Pull on the sides a little bit to open it up and make the twist stand out. Make another ponytail right under the twist and pull on it tightly so it's hidden a bit under the twist. And that's it, that's the second one. I love this quick variation of a ponytail. For the third one, take a deep side parting. Take the front two in sections of the hair towards the back. Now we're going to be braiding this backwards, so it would be ideal if you take the other hand from the back and braid it so it falls well. Do a regular 3-strand braid. Secure it and don't forget to pull on it well. Repeat the same on the other side. Take the braid on the right towards the left and secure it with a bobby pin. Release the rubber band. And take the braid on the left towards the right, secure it with a bobby pin and release the rubber band. Now simply take the rest of the hair into a ponytail and don't forget to pull on it well. So guys, that's about it. These are the 3 easy ponytails. Do try them out. They really turn out to look super cute. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Share this with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.